Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with another video. And today I have a budget pair of wireless earphones from Treblab. These are the XR700s, and for $30, they pack a great deal of features, including passive noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0, and an IPX7 water resistance rating. A big thank you to Treblab for sending me their product to review. In the box, you get a very nice hardshell carrying case, as well as two different styles of ear hooks in multiple sizes. Coming in at 0.77 ounces, the XR700s are extremely light, allowing you to wear them for longer periods of time without discomfort. Although they are lightweight, they still manage to feel very sturdy and well built, although I would doubt they would survive being sat on. The earphones as a whole are made out of black plastic, while certain portions, especially the ear hooks, have a matte finish. On the right earphone, there is a volume rocker as well as a mic for calling. One aspect of this product's design that most people would overlook is the flat cable connecting the two earphones. The flat cable prevents the earphones from getting tangled and can easily be taken for granted until you try to find your other earphones without a flat cable in a tangled ball of mess. Pairing the XR700s to your device is quick. All you have to do is hold down Treblab's logo on the right earphone and you're ready to start listening. With Bluetooth 5.0, the connection is also very reliable, and over the course of my usage, there hasn't been one time that the earphones became disconnected. For me, the ear hooks on these earphones are kind of uncomfortable, but for the average person, they will probably work just fine, especially if you have used ear hooks in the past. Other than the ear hooks, these earphones fit pretty decently in my ears, although I would have liked softer and larger ear tips. Audio is fairly full with a decent amount of bass, and for watching videos or listening to music, these won't disappoint. One big feature that the XR700s come equipped with is passive noise cancellation. Now, don't get this confused with active noise cancellation because they are two entirely different things. Active noise cancellation is done inside the device, while the XR700's passive noise cancellation is simply an outwardly design meant to eliminate background noise. Although many people would prefer active noise cancellation over passive noise cancellation, this is really the best Treblab could do if they wanted to keep these earphones at an affordable price. When listening to music, I can definitely still hear my surroundings, but the background noise is definitely minimized. As far as battery life, Treblab claims that you can get 9 hours of continuous playback from a 2-hour charge, but in my experience, it's more like 7 hours. Either way, getting that much battery life from such a small charge, especially with the size of this device's battery, is quite amazing. If you're looking for a pair of wireless earphones for the gym, on the go, or just for sitting on your couch, which is what I do most of the time, then the Treblab XR700s are definitely a good pickup. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy it, then please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more high quality content just like this. And as always guys, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.